Hello, I will introduce the task one and explain each steps. Firstly, I use this command llama port DeepSeek R18B to port the target large language model used for prompting and the running procedure. I have downloaded the most updated version of the Llama environment and has already deployed the DeepSeek R18B into my own laptop. After that, I cloned the GitHub link provided by instructor using git clone and open it using cd command is here. And next, I will set up the engine. I use the API key from Tably and I use the cp command to copy the file .env.example and name the data .env. With a dot at the beginning, the file will automatically become the hidden. And for the env file, I set the web search 1 to 3 and set the fetch page to true. And I applied an API from Tably and use that to replace DuckDuckGo. Then I use Python to create the virtual environment by this and named it .venv, which combine here. At least I run the studio use this. And here I move to launch the long graph server, and I started with install the UV package as industry did by here, and I run the studio use here. So here is the terminal. And this is the studio of the whole process. I will explain each steps. So for the graph, this structured approach is that we gather, analyze, and refine information effectively. Additionally, I will also explain how each step is implemented in our in my Python script. So first, I begin with the generate query step. In this step, the script constructs a well-defined research query. This is crucial because a precise query issue that our search is focused and retrieve the relevant results. So in my Python script, this is handled by the generate query function, which formulates the research questions dynamically based on the given import parameters. And next, I move to the web research. This step involves searching for information online from different sources, and the Python function web research automates this process. Potentially use APIs or web scribing techniques to connect valuable data. The goal is to extract a broad spectrum of relevant information to issue a well-rounded understanding of the topic. Here, once I have gathered enough materials, I process to the summarize sources. At this stage, my Python script calls the summarize sources. which processes the connected data, filter out redundant information, and condenses it into key takeaways. These steps ensure that we extract the most important insights while maintaining clarity. Following the summarization, I enter the reflect on summary phrase. Here, I evaluate our findings to check for biases, inconsistencies, or missing details. So the reflect summary functions in our Python script examines the extracted insights to improve the accuracy and the reliability of our research. This step allows us to refine our conclusion before finalizing them. So finally, I reach the finalized summary step. This is where I construct our final research output to be clear and coherent. So in Python, finalized summary issue that or processed information is polished into a well-organized format, ready to share or used for decision making. To tie everything together, my Python script follow a structured um, order. It starts by generating the query, then move through web research, summarizing summarized sources, reflection, and finalization. Issue on a systematic and automated research workflow. Once all steps are completed, the script print a confirmation message. Research process complete successful. So here I will show the running result for 3 website loops. It's here. Is the output. Yeah. So this all about the task 1. And here I will explain the task 2. For task 2, I cloned another GitHub repository and did the same process to run the studio. The only difference is that I got the YouTube API key and created the app password on Google Cloud. I have applied my Gmail address at the SMTP username and got the password. At last, I also set it for the recipient email. For the coding part in graph.py, the main difference is that I did the YouTube research part and sending email part. And these components play a crucial role in retrieving relevant information and ensuring efficient communication. And here is the diagram of task 2. The different from the task 1 is here YouTube research. So the YouTube research function is designed to gather valuable insights from YouTube videos. It does this by searching for relevant videos based on a given query and extract metadata such as titles, descriptions, and timestamps. And also analyzing contents for the key point and summarizing the. So these functions enhance the ability to leverage videos contents for research and offer a more device and enrich the source for information beyond just text-based searches. And another difference is the send email part here. For send email function, it is crucial for ensuring that results summarized or important updates are communicated effectively. It works by formatting the extract and or generate contents into an email-friendly structure and adding relevant headers and metadata to ensure properly delivery. And finally, sending the email to the intended to the recipient efficiently. And this function helps in automating notification sharing, summarize, or and alerting users about a significant update in an organized manner. And both YouTube search and send email functions showcase the power of automation and intelligent data retrieval in modern workflows. By integrating these components, we issue a more efficient research capability and seamless communication, making our system more efficiency. And let's go back to the studio. This is the studio containing two API. One is YouTube API and another is Tably API and also my app password account. Here I will show the whole process of how DeepSeek is running and its reflection and the summary. Here you can see. For most part, it runs successfully. However, when it comes to the email sending part, I have tried for the whole day adjusting the import. For example, I have changed the recipient email, cleaned and cloned the file again, tried different command to adjust it, but there are still some issues with the email sending. And I also asked the Thomas, he also has no ideas about this, so I finally choose to give up this part. And this is the output for task 2. Okay, this is all about the task 2. Thank you.